The struggle is real. Hey everyone, Isa here, and let's talk about something we've all dealt with, body hair. It's like that unwanted house guest that just won't leave. From stubbly armpits to barely there peach fuzz, we've all got our own personal battles with the fuzz. But fear not, my smooth-skinned comrades, because today we're diving deep into the wild world of hair removal. We'll be your guide through the jungle of creams, razors, and waxes, helping you find your perfect match for a fuzz-free life. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a nervous newbie, this ultimate guide has got you covered. So grab your coffee, get comfy, and get ready to kiss those unwanted hairs goodbye. Let's do this.
First up, let's talk about hair removal creams. These magical potions work by dissolving the hair at the surface, leaving your skin feeling smooth, hopefully. Think of it like magic, but for your body hair. Now, I'm not gonna lie, sometimes these creams can have a bit of a funky smell. It's like a science experiment gone slightly wrong. But hey, beauty is pain, right? Or at least a weird smell for a few minutes. Just remember to do a patch test first, especially if you've got sensitive skin. You don't want to end up looking like a lobster that got caught in a bad hair removal experiment. My advice? Stick with trusted brands like Nair or Veet. They've been around the block a few times and know how to handle that stubborn fuzz.
Next up is the classic shaving stick, a true OG in the hair removal game. This little tool has been around for ages and has stood the test of time for good reason. It's cheap, cheerful, and gets the job done, most of the time. Whether you're prepping for a big date or just maintaining your daily routine, the shaving stick is a reliable companion. Plus, there's something oddly satisfying about watching that hair disappear down the drain, am I right? It's like a mini victory every time you rinse off. But be warned, my friends, shaving can be a risky business. It's not all smooth sailing. One minute you're a smooth operator, the next you're bleeding from a tiny cut in a very awkward place. Those nicks can be sneaky and painful. And let's not even talk about razor burn, that uncomfortable, itchy feeling that can ruin your day. It's like your skin's way of saying, hey, remember that time you used a dull razor? Yeah, I haven't forgotten. A dull blade is a recipe for disaster. Always use a sharp razor and some shaving cream or gel to protect your skin. These products create a barrier that helps the razor glide smoothly. And for the love of all that is smooth, go slow. Take your time to avoid those pesky cuts and irritation. No need to rush this delicate operation. Shaving is an art, and patience is key. Trust me, your skin will thank you. A little extra care goes a long way in achieving that smooth, flawless finish.
Section 4. Electric Avenues zapping those hairs away. Now, if you're feeling fancy and want to level up your hair removal game, there's always electric shavers. These devices are not just convenient, but also quite effective. These bad boys come in all shapes and sizes, from tiny trimmers to full-blown epilators that'll have you hair-free for weeks. Whether you need something for a quick touch-up or a more thorough grooming session, there's an electric shaver out there for you. Epilators, though, those are a different story. They are designed to pull hair out from the root, which means longer-lasting smoothness. Imagine hundreds of tiny tweezers pulling out your hair at once. It sounds intense because it is. Yeah, it's not exactly a walk in the park. The sensation can be a bit much for some, but the results are worth it. But hey, no pain, no gain, right? The discomfort is temporary, but the smooth skin lasts for weeks. And the results? Silky smooth skin that lasts for weeks. It's like having a mini spa treatment at home. Just be prepared for a little bit of a learning curve when you're using an electric shaver for the first time. It might take a few tries to get the hang of it. It's like learning to ride a bike, except instead of falling off, you might accidentally shave off an eyebrow. So, take it slow and steady. Don't worry, we've all been there. With a bit of practice, you'll be a pro in no time, and your skin will thank you for it.
Section 5. Wax on, wax off. The pain is real, but so are the results. Waxing, the ultimate hair removal showdown. This one's not for the faint of heart, but the results speak for themselves. It's like ripping off a Band-Aid, but with the added bonus of smooth, hair-free skin for weeks. Sure, it might feel like a scene from a horror movie the first time you do it, but trust me, it gets easier. Or at least you get used to the pain. And let's be real, the feeling of smooth, touchable skin afterward? Totally worth it. Just make sure you go to a reputable salon with experienced estheticians. You don't want to trust your precious skin and your pain tolerance to just anyone.
Section 6. Guys, girls, and everyone in between. Hair removal is for everyone. Let's get one thing straight. Hair removal isn't just for the ladies. Guys, you deserve to feel smooth and confident too. So ditch the stereotype and grab that razor, cream, or whatever your heart and body hair desires. And for all my non-binary folks out there, you do you. Hair removal is a personal choice no matter how you identify. So rock that body hair or go completely bare, the choice is yours. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to approach hair removal. It's all about finding what works best for you and your body. So experiment, have fun, and don't be afraid to embrace your inner smooth operator. Section 7, ready to get smooth? Check out our awesome deals. We've got something for everyone, whether you're a first-timer or a seasoned pro. So there you have it, folks, your ultimate guide to conquering the wild world of body hair. We've covered everything from the magic of hair removal creams to the thrill of waxing, and even a few horror stories along the way. Hair removal creams are a fantastic option for those who want a quick and painless solution. Just apply, wait, and rinse off for smooth skin. Waxing, on the other hand, offers longer-lasting results and can be quite the adventure. It's perfect for those who don't mind a little discomfort for the sake of beauty. And let's be honest, the stories you can share afterward are priceless. Now that you're armed with all this knowledge, it's time to take action. Head over to our online store, where you'll find amazing deals on all the hair removal products your heart desires. We've got everything from top-notch razors to soothing aloe vera gel, because let's be real, sometimes you need a little post-hair removal TLC. Our razors are designed to give you the closest shave possible, while our aloe vera gel helps to soothe and heal your skin afterward. And don't forget about our exfoliating scrubs and moisturizers, which are essential for maintaining smooth, healthy skin. Exfoliating helps to remove dead skin cells and prevent ingrown hairs, while moisturizing keeps your skin hydrated and soft. Remember, no matter what method you choose, always be kind to your skin. Exfoliate regularly, moisturize like your life depends on it, and don't be afraid to ask for help if you need it. Whether you're tackling your hair removal routine solo or with a friend, make it a fun and enjoyable experience. Now go forth and conquer that fuzz, all you lovely people. Keep shining and embrace your smooth, beautiful skin. With the right products and a little bit of care, you'll be ready to show off your smooth skin with confidence. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of hair removal and discover the best version of yourself. Now go forth and conquer that fuzz, all you lovely people. Keep shining and enjoy your smooth, radiant skin.